Hi folks, this is Bear A Bear. Today is Tuesday, January the 28th, the year 2020. And we're here today. We're going to bring you another one of our videos today. And we're going to talk about the max bid system as it's put to use at ATX Auctions Pasadena. We're going to tell you about the max bid system and how that thing works. But first, I want to take an opportunity to certainly say thank you to Neil and Tracy McGovern, our good friends over at Papa Yolk's Grill. They're a sponsor for the YouTube channel. Go by and stop by there and say hi to them. Neil and Tracy over at Papa Yolk's. They're on Spencer Highway, just a little bit west outside the Beltway over here in Pasadena. So had lunch over there today, and what an incredible time it is. Gotta love it. Go by and say hi to them over at Papa Yolk's Grill. That's our sponsor. So now let's get to the max bid system. As you all know, ladies and gentlemen, our online subsidiary for Auctions by Bear, the online version of it is actually ATX Auctions Pasadena. So when you log on, you can place a bid. And one of the things that we hear quite frequently is that, well, man, I really wanted to bid on that. I was watching this item, and I was bidding. Phone rang, something happened. I got distracted. Boom, the item closed. I missed it. Well, we certainly don't want that to happen, so we want to tell you about using the max bid system. And here's the way it works. As you know, every single item in our auction starts at $5 without regard for retail value. So $5 minimum bid, doesn't matter if it's a $1,000 item, a $4,000 item, everything starts at $5. So what you can do, if it's a $500 item and you look and you say, wow, that's a nice one, I don't want to bid more than $300 on this item. That's the most I'll give. When you get ready to put in, it's going to ask you, do you want to bid $525, whatever the next incremental bid is. You can put in there $300. What that does is tells the system, you keep me high bidder on this item until we exceed this number. Now, if we get to the end of the auction and that item closes, and let's say it only took you $127.50 to be the max bidder on that item, rest assured, $127.50 is all you're going to pay, plus buyer's premium and applicable taxes. So that's the max bid system. That way, you don't have to worry about it. Now, in the event that your max bid does get exceeded, you're going to get a notification that says, hey, Mr. Bidder, your bid has been exceeded. You've been outbid on item number 125. You then have the option to go back in, put in a higher max bid, or figure out what you want to do, possibly even let the item go at that point. But again, that max bid keeps you in up to that point. If you were able to win the item for less than that, that's all you pay, plus applicable buyer's premium and, of course, the sales taxes. So again, ladies and gentlemen, that's how the max bid system works. Always don't worry about it. If you've got any questions, make a comment below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also, click the little bell right next to that so that you can get notified, get the freshest, most updated content. So ladies and gentlemen, thanks again for viewing. Thanks for watching. This is Bear A Bear saying we'll see you at the auction.